Looking for a reliable air conditioning system to beat the heat? At AWG Airconditioning, we provide top-of-the-line air conditioners that keep you cool and comfortable all year round. High-performance cooling for maximum comfort. Energy-efficient models to save on your electricity bill. Wide range of styles and sizes to fit any space. And for a limited time, enjoy free installation, first 10 feet, got all in labor and materials with every purchase. Don't wait. Let Aircon quality bring you comfort and savings today. Why choose AWG Air Conditioning? No hidden fees. What you see is what you pay. Fast and reliable delivery. Get your Aircon when you need it. Free delivery to Mandaue, Cebu City, Talise, Lapu-Lapu, Cordova, and Consolation. Contact us now. AWG Air Conditioning. Authorized dealer service center installer.
Dili pa panahon, magulat ko sa buhay.